In this video, I will show you how to link to a section in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the Hostinger Website Builder. Let's say I want to add a contact link in this navigation menu that links to this Contact Me section. First, I need to select the Contact Me section, click on Edit section, and go to the Anchor tab. Give this section an anchor, for example, contact form. Copy this anchor name, close this window, and go to Pages and Navigation. Now add a new link to the navigation menu. Let's call it Contact Me. And from this link to list, select a section. Now select your anchor name from the list and click on Save. Don't forget to update your website. And now let's visit my website live. This is my link. Let's click on it. As you can see, I was moved to the contact form section. And this is how to link to a section in Hostinger Website Builder.